Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple Magic Trackpad with your iPad. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start using your Apple Magic Trackpad on your iPad. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of the devices together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, you want to make sure that you go ahead and charge your Apple Magic Trackpad. So you can just simply put in a lightning cable into here and then charge it for about 30 minutes to an hour. Next, you want to flip this switch on. So this is the on button, and that's going to put it into Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, this is assuming that you haven't connected your Apple Magic Trackpad to any other nearby devices. Next, you want to go ahead and click on your iPad, click on Settings, click on Bluetooth, and then navigate to where it says Other Devices. And then you want to wait until the Apple Trackpad appears here. So there it is. JC's trackpad, you're going to click on that, and then you should see it appear underneath My Devices. So you can see here now that the trackpad is connected. So now I can use the trackpad to control the mouse on my iPad. Now, if you don't see the trackpad appear under Other Devices, number one, it might be because your Apple trackpad is out of battery, or number two, it might have already automatically connected to another nearby device. So let's say, for example, you recently connected this to your iMac, but if you forgot to disconnect it from your iMac, you just want to make sure that you go into your iMac and disconnect your Apple Magic Trackpad. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Apple Magic Trackpad with your iPad. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.